gaganaping live draws, siniguro ng ating panel of judges and representatives from PTSO and Commission on Audit na maayos ang kondisyon ng draw machines na gagamitin. Only the operation of the remote switch button ang may human intervention. Sa random selection of draw balls, 3 sets ang pinagpipilian for each game. All balls in all sets have almost exactly the same weight. Lahat po ng bola ay tinimbang at covered po ito ng video. Tapos masiguro na ito ay kumpleto at chairperson lamang ang makakapag-load ng draw balls na gagamitin sa mga draws.
At para naman sa resulta ng ating afternoon Lotto Draws, narito po, panoorin natin.
Tingnan sa kanan, misali.
Ng Philippine Lotto Afternoon Draws. For the Luzon East Lotto, the winning numbers are 4, 8, and 28 in exact order. Para sa Visayas Mindanao, 2 p.m. Sweltras Lotto Draws. 1, 8, and 4 in exact order. And for the 5 p.m. Sweltras Lotto Draw, we have the numbers 4, 3, and 1, also in exact order.
Kasi pinilitan.
Our winner. Sa unang game natin ngayong gabi, buong Pilipinas.